Well, I always say blue is my favorite color, so I'm in love with this car already. This is a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette 1SB Convertible. Striking car when you look at this. What a shine it has here on our lot today. This is LeMans Blue on the exterior. It has the Ebony interior, and it has that Ebony convertible top. Under the hood, we'll find a 400 horsepower LS2 engine with automatic transmission. Factory features on this car include the $2,955 1SB Preferred Equipment Group. Now, we always tell you this has heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, has auto-dimming mirrors, compass, universal garage door transmitter, and this car has the power top, and it has that LeMans Blue tint coat upcharge. The car has the Bose CD MP3 stereo with navigation, OnStar XM satellite radio, and it has the F55 magnetic selective ride control as well. Performance axle ratio, polished wheels, HID headlights, fog lamps, dual zone electronic climate control, keyless entry and start, and power windows and locks. Well, everything on the car is power as well. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. The car comes with a clean Carfax. So this 2005 Corvette Convertible, it shows just 41,133 miles. It's in overall good condition. The car's paint is in overall good condition. It has a very good shine, and those polished wheels look great. The interior of this car shows very good factory condition leather seats, very good center console, and door panels. Now, there have been a couple additions to this car, which include a custom front grille, window tint, blue valve stem caps, red brake calipers, and black molded plastic mud flaps as well. So we can help put this car in your driveway very quickly. Remember, we ship nationwide, worldwide every month, and we also can make buying online something you can do with great ease and, more important, with great confidence. So give us a call at buyavette.net. We're in Atlanta, Georgia, and we always have 120 Corvettes or more in stock, so let us show you any Corvette you would like to see. We're available at 770-414-5552. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification button. We hope to hear from you real soon. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.